In a kingdom overshadowed by dark clouds, the air trembles with the clash of swords. Knights charge valiantly across a battlefield, their armor glinting in the fading sunlight. A heroic figure stands at the forefront, his sword raised high. Sir Alaric, the kingdom's noblest knight, embarks on a quest to vanquish the dark magic threatening his land. As the dust settles, we meet Lady Isolde, the kind-hearted queen who fears for her people. She reveals to Alaric the source of their troubles, a dark sorcerer named Malachar, who seeks to usurp the throne with his vile magic. The stakes are high, for should he succeed, darkness will envelop the kingdom forever. The journey unfolds through dense, enchanted forests and crumbling ruins where feudal lords vie for power. Alaric grapples with his loyalty to the crown and his love for Isolde, torn between duty and desire. Shadows loom as whispers of betrayal echo through the trees, hinting at treachery from within the court. As Alaric confronts Malachar in a climactic battle, spells collide with swords and the air crackles with magic. The battlefield becomes a theater of valor and sacrifice. Will Alaric's courage prevail, or will he fall victim to the darkness? The fate of the kingdom hangs in the balance. In the aftermath of the battle, honor is restored, but at a grave cost. Alaric stands amidst the ruins, reflecting on the price of power and the weight of his choices. Love, duty, and sacrifice intertwine as he contemplates the true nature of valor in a world threatened by darkness.